Connecting the HP Elite to an external monitor. While a laptop is great for convenience and portability, sometimes it can be beneficial to connect an external monitor in order to have a larger screen or even to save desk space by being able to close the laptop lid and setting the device aside. The first thing you'll need is to get an HDMI cord to connect the two devices, your Elite and the corresponding external monitor. Connect one end of the HDMI cord to the corresponding HDMI port on the HP Elite. On this device, the HDMI port is on the left-hand side. Next, plug the other end of the HDMI cord into the correct port on the back of the monitor you are wishing to connect to. Now, you have two options on how to use this setup. You can either choose to use the monitor as a secondary screen, which allows you to have two different displays and the ability to move your windows around between the two screens. Or you can simply mirror your display. This is helpful if you want to show someone what's on your screen, but want to display it in a bigger format, or if you'd like to be able to shut the lid and use your laptop as if it was a desktop. When shutting the lid, you will need to have an external keyboard and mouse available. To use the monitor as a secondary screen, you'll want to go into the display settings on the HP Elite in order to arrange how you would like your screens to interact with each other. Simply find the device setting on the left-hand menu and then click on Displays. Next, you can see here, you can click and drag your screens around so that it reflects how it is set up physically in front of you. Otherwise, moving between screens may not move where you want it to. If you'd simply like to mirror your display, then from the same place in the settings menu, if you look below the arrangement option we just looked at, just click on Mirror Built-in Display Box and the image on your laptop and monitor will show exactly the same thing. Finally, as mentioned previously, if you'd like to save space and be able to close the lid on the laptop so that you are only working from the image on the external monitor, it will be important to ensure that a keyboard and mouse is connected to your device, either wirelessly or with a wired connection. Otherwise, you will not be able to interact with the screen. If you have a permanent location you will generally keep your laptop, this is an easy option for you to switch between having a more permanent desktop workstation to being able to unplug and use your Elite on the go. When your battery gets low, you can just replug it back into the workstation for safekeeping and charging.